Last Saturday, Melanie Sudak-Howe says Hamilton Public Health called to say her 14-year-old son Joshua had tested positive for COVID-19. So an upset Josh isolated in his bedroom while the rest of the worried family didn't leave the house until Tuesday, when a call from the lab let her know a big mistake had been made.
After retesting his sample over and over again, they determined that he had never been COVID positive.
Josh was one of 7 people who received a false positive, and his case pushed public health to declare an outbreak at his school, Bishop Ryan Catholic Secondary.
Because he was the second in the French class to come back as positive.
An outbreak that was promptly called off when the mix-up came to light. One of the false positives also led to an outbreak declaration here at Lisgar Elementary School, and that outbreak has now also been rescinded. 7 other people who were told they didn't have the virus actually did. CHCH News asked Public Health if those 7 people have spread the disease to others, and were told in an email that case investigations are ongoing.
To our knowledge, there has not been any spread as a result.
Dr. Marek Shmia is the interim chief of laboratory medicine at the Hamilton Regional Laboratory Medicine Program, a system of labs across sites at St. Joe's and Hamilton Health Sciences. It was this lab system that made the mistake.
There are multiple kind of checks and balances where certain things have to be, scanned twice, double checked by 2 different people, all those sort of things. But at the same time, it's not perfect. And so we think there was most likely human error.
Back in January, the lab made a very similar mistake with 31 people getting the wrong results. Shmia is apologetic and says they are reviewing their processes, calling the mistake a system error and not pinning it on any one person. But for Melanie and her kids, that doesn't make up for the scare.
What's going on in this lab? What is happening? Is this going to be corrected? Is there an investigation?
It's a mix-up that caused at least one Hamilton family a lot of worry. Matt Ingram, CHCH News, Hamilton.